Every morning, millions of people around the world start their day with coffee. That first sip feels like magic. It wakes you up, sharpens your focus, and gives that instant burst of energy you crave. But what if I told you your daily coffee could do far more than just wake you up? What if a small spoonful of a simple, natural powder could completely transform what coffee does inside your body? The truth is, most people drink coffee the wrong way. They add sugar, creamers, and artificial flavors that cancel out its natural benefits. Even plain coffee, when overused, can raise your stress hormones, cause acidity, and leave you tired just hours later. But there's one powerful ingredient, used for centuries in traditional healing, that can fix all that. When you add this one powder, your coffee becomes a healing tonic instead of an acidic drink. It calms your nerves, balances blood sugar, protects your heart, and fuels your brain with clean, lasting energy. It's simple, it's natural, and you probably already have it in your kitchen. Ancient healers used it daily, and modern scientists are now confirming its power to reduce inflammation, stabilize metabolism, and even slow aging. In this video, we'll reveal what this mystery powder is, how it works inside your body, and how just one spoon in your morning coffee could completely change your health, energy, and focus, starting tomorrow morning. The mystery powder we're talking about is cinnamon, a spice so common that most people overlook its incredible healing power. But when you mix cinnamon with coffee, something amazing happens inside your body. This simple blend transforms your regular cup into a powerful health drink that works on your blood sugar, heart, brain, and even fat metabolism. Cinnamon has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to treat various conditions. And, modern science is now proving what ancient healers already knew. It's packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential oils that make it one of the healthiest spices in the world. When combined with coffee, it doesn't just enhance flavor, it changes how caffeine affects your system in the best way possible. Let's start with your blood sugar. One of the biggest problems with coffee is that it can cause a quick spike in cortisol and blood sugar, followed by a crash that leaves you tired and craving sweets. Cinnamon helps fix that. It slows down the rate at which sugar enters your bloodstream, keeping your energy stable and preventing those mid-morning slumps. For people with prediabetes or insulin resistance, this can make a huge difference. Studies show cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use glucose more efficiently. So when you add cinnamon to your coffee, you're not just getting energy, you're balancing it. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. Cinnamon is one of the richest sources of antioxidants on the planet. These compounds protect your cells from oxidative stress, the invisible process that causes aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. In fact, cinnamon contains more antioxidant power per gram than blueberries, turmeric, or even garlic. When combined with coffee, which is already rich in antioxidants, the effect becomes even stronger. Together, they protect your cells, reduce internal inflammation, and improve how your body handles everyday stress. Next, we move to the brain. Have you ever felt foggy or unfocused even after drinking coffee? That's because caffeine can sometimes overstimulate the nervous system, leading to mental tension instead of clarity. Cinnamon helps here too. Research from the University of California found that compounds in cinnamon improve brain activity, enhance memory, and even stimulate new neuron growth in the hippocampus, the center of learning and recall. So adding cinnamon to your coffee doesn't just wake you up. It helps you think sharper, stay calmer, and remember better. It's a natural brain booster without side effects. Cinnamon also supports your heart. High LDL cholesterol, blood pressure, and triglycerides are common concerns as people age. Cinnamon helps lower LDL while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. It improves circulation, relaxes blood vessels, and helps keep arteries clean from plaque buildup. And what about your gut health? Coffee alone can sometimes irritate the stomach, increasing acid levels and causing bloating or discomfort. Cinnamon acts as a natural antacid and antimicrobial agent. It helps reduce harmful bacteria in the digestive tract while promoting the growth of beneficial gut flora. That means better digestion, fewer stomach issues, and smoother bowel movements. If you often feel bloated or gassy after coffee, adding cinnamon can make a world of difference. Finally, Let's talk about fat burning and metabolism. Cinnamon contains natural thermogenic compounds, meaning it slightly increases your body's heat and helps burn calories more efficiently. When taken with coffee, it amplifies caffeine's fat-burning potential, helping your body convert stored fat into energy. Studies show that even small amounts of cinnamon can reduce belly fat and improve body composition over time. So yes, that small sprinkle in your cup could actually help you stay fit. To get all these benefits, you'll want to use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, rather than the cheaper cassia variety. Ceylon cinnamon has a milder flavor and lower levels of coumarin, which is a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Just add about half a teaspoon to your coffee before brewing, or sprinkle it afterward. You can drink it black with milk or with a natural sweetener like honey or stevia. The taste is warm, comforting, and slightly sweet, so honestly, you won't even miss the sugar. After a few days, you'll start noticing subtle changes. Your energy will last longer, your mind will feel clearer, and your cravings will fade away. Cinnamon coffee is more than a drink. It's a simple ritual that supports your body, mind, and heart from the very first sip. When you drink coffee mixed with cinnamon every morning, something truly powerful happens inside your body. It's not just about flavor, it's about how this combination changes your body's chemistry in a balanced, natural way. Normally, when you drink coffee, caffeine triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, your body's fight or flight hormones. This gives you quick energy, but can also cause anxiety, a racing heart, or an afternoon crash. Cinnamon helps stop that chain reaction. It slows caffeine absorption and stabilizes blood sugar, so your energy rises steadily and stays longer without the jitters. It's kind of like switching from a wild roller coaster to a smooth, steady ride. This is especially important for older adults or folks who are sensitive to caffeine. You still get that refreshing alertness, but without the sudden spikes and drops that leave you drained later. Cinnamon also supports your body's ability to absorb nutrients better. When you drink coffee after eating, it can sometimes block mineral absorption, like calcium, magnesium, or iron. But when cinnamon is added, it helps balance the digestive process. It stimulates digestive enzymes, supports the pancreas, and promotes smoother digestion. That's why many people who switch to cinnamon coffee notice their stomach feels calmer and lighter afterward. No more bloating, no more acidity, and no more heaviness. In fact, studies show cinnamon may even help restore the protective lining of the stomach, which coffee alone can sometimes irritate. That means your daily brew no longer harms your gut, it heals it. There's also a detox effect happening behind the scenes. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which activates key antioxidant enzymes in your liver. These enzymes help neutralize toxins and improve liver function. Over time, this gentle detoxification process can lead to clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and better overall energy levels. It's like your morning coffee is giving your body a mini cleanse every single day. Combine that with coffee's natural diuretic effect, and you've got a perfect system that keeps your body clean, hydrated, and active. Now let's talk about your brain. Because cinnamon coffee is not just for your body, it's a mental booster too. Cinnamon increases blood flow to the brain, which enhances oxygen supply and neuron communication. This means, sharper thinking, quicker reaction times, and better focus. Researchers have found that even just smelling cinnamon can improve cognitive performance. Drinking it in your coffee makes that effect even stronger. It also enhances dopamine sensitivity, your brain's feel-good hormone, helping you feel motivated and positive throughout the day. Unlike energy drinks or synthetic nootropics, this is completely natural. It's calm, focused energy that lasts for hours without anxiety. Cinnamon coffee also supports longevity. Long-term studies show that people who regularly consume cinnamon have lower inflammation levels, better heart health, and improved insulin balance. Chronic inflammation is actually behind most age-related diseases, like heart problems, diabetes, arthritis, and even memory decline. Cinnamon helps reduce those inflammatory markers, while coffee's antioxidants go to work protecting your cells. So, together, they form a pretty powerful anti-aging team inside your body. Drinking cinnamon coffee every morning becomes more than just a habit. It becomes an investment in your long-term vitality. To make it work best, just use about half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon per cup of coffee. You can mix it into your coffee grounds before brewing, or simply stir it directly into your cup after. And hey, if you prefer a richer taste, add a few drops of coconut oil, or maybe a dash of cacao powder. This creates a creamy, antioxidant-rich drink that really fuels your brain and muscles. So, you'll want to avoid adding processed sugar or syrups. They really defeat the purpose here. Instead, you can use raw honey, date sugar, or stevia if you're looking for just a mild sweetness. And it's best to drink it in the morning before breakfast, or maybe during your mid-morning break. If you want to take it up a notch, try pairing your cinnamon coffee with some light morning movement, like stretching or just a short walk. The improved blood circulation from cinnamon and caffeine will really amplify the effect, giving you a strong start to your day. Over time, this habit can help improve your metabolism, strengthen your heart, and keep your body lean and balanced. So, think about it. One small change, one extra ingredient, and your everyday coffee becomes a complete wellness ritual. It's amazing how little adjustments can make such a big difference, right? It's simple, affordable, and honestly, it's backed by science. So tomorrow morning, before you take your first sip, just reach for that cinnamon jar. Sprinkle it in, give it a good stir, and take a slow, mindful sip. Notice how your body reacts: steady energy, calm focus, and that warm comfort. You're not just drinking coffee anymore. You're actually nurturing your body with a centuries-old secret that, well, modern science now confirms. So why keep drinking plain coffee that only wakes you up for an hour when you could enjoy a version that fuels your health for the whole day? Make this your new morning habit. 1 teaspoon, 1 transformation. Try it for 7 days, and you'll see the difference yourself. Clearer skin, better digestion, a sharper mind, and more balanced energy. Sometimes, the smallest changes bring the biggest results. Cinnamon coffee isn't just a drink, it's your new daily health ritual.